Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Sackville is a small town in southeastern New Brunswick, located near the border with Nova Scotia and surrounded by the wetlands of the Tantramar marshes. The town has a population of just under 6,000 people, but it plays an important role in the region because of its history, education, and location along a major transportation route between New Brunswick and Nova Scotia. Sackville is part of the larger Tantramar area, which includes several nearby rural communities connected through farming, trade, and shared history. The landscape around Sackville has shaped life here for centuries. The Tantramar marshes are among the most recognizable natural features in Atlantic Canada. Early Acadian settlers built dikes to reclaim farmland from the tidal marshes, creating fertile agricultural land that supported farming communities for generations. Many of those original engineering methods are still visible today, and the marshes remain an important symbol of the region. The changing tides from the Bay of Fundy continue to influence the environment and daily life in the area. Before European settlement, the region was used by Indigenous peoples, especially the Mi'kmaq, who traveled through the area for hunting, fishing, and trade. The nearby waterways and marshlands provided rich natural resources. European settlement expanded during the 1700s, particularly with Acadian communities establishing farms on the reclaimed marshland. Following the expulsion of the Acadians in the mid-18th century, new settlers arrived from New England and other parts of the British colonies. Sackville officially developed as a local service and farming center during the 1800s. Its location made it an important connection point between Nova Scotia and the rest of New Brunswick. Railways later strengthened that role, helping transport agricultural products, passengers, and goods through the region. For many years, the railway station was one of the busiest and most important landmarks in town. Even today, Sackville remains a key transportation corridor for people traveling through the Maritimes. One of the most important institutions in Sackville is Mount Allison University, founded in 1839. The university has had a major influence on the town for well over a century. Mount Allison is recognized as one of Canada's leading undergraduate universities and attracts students from across the country and around the world. The campus is known for its historic buildings, arts programs, and strong academic reputation. The presence of students and faculty gives Sackville a unique mix of small-town atmosphere and cultural activity. Mount Allison University also holds an important place in Canadian history. In 1875, Grace Annie Lockhart became the first woman in the British Empire to receive a bachelor's degree graduating from Mount Allison. This achievement helped place Sackville in the national spotlight and marked an important moment in the history of higher education for women in Canada and beyond. The university continues to celebrate that legacy today. The town centre features a mix of historic buildings, local businesses, cafes, and small shops. Main Street serves as the heart of the community and reflects the slower pace of life that many residents appreciate. Nature is a major part of everyday life in Sackville. Birdwatchers from across Canada visit the region because the marshes provide habitat for many species of migratory birds. Walking trails and observation areas allow visitors to experience the landscape up close. The Sackville Waterfowl Park is one of the best-known natural areas in town and offers peaceful views of ponds, wetlands, and wildlife within walking distance of downtown. The climate in Sackville reflects its maritime location, with cold, snowy winters and mild summers. Fog, coastal winds, and changing weather patterns are common throughout the year. The surrounding marshes and open landscapes create dramatic seasonal scenery, from green summer fields to colorful autumn marshlands and snow-covered winter plains. Today, Sackville remains a town where history, education, nature, and community life all come together. Its role as a university town, transportation link, and cultural center gives it a character that stands out within Atlantic Canada. While it may appear quiet at first glance, Sackville has a deep history and a strong connection to both the land and the people who have lived here for generations. Thanks for watching!